I can't believe a tornado is coming to Berry Avenue. I have to prepare because I barely even have any food home, and I need to wake up my daughter so we can hurry up and prepare. Okay, Maya, wake up, sweetie, because we have to go prepare for a tornado.
Okay, Mommy. But what? Tornado?
Yeah, a tornado. It's pretty dangerous, and people could die from it, but we're not gonna die because we're gonna prepare and be safe.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. Okay, I got your food. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Eat up. Now we're just gonna go to the store to pick up some things for the tornado.
Yeah.
Come on, Mia.
I'm coming.
Okay, so all I need to get is just some toilet paper, some fruits for Mia because she really loves strawberries and bananas, and that's mostly it. And I think some canned food. And as you heard, she's really excited to get some fruit. So yeah, I'm gonna just find some canned food like some ravioli or some alphabet soup. So yeah.
Tornadoes, Mama.
No, you are not gonna watch the tornado. It is too dangerous. And even though the rain stopped, it is still so windy. Like literally. Like no, it's not safe for you. Come on, let's actually get inside because I need to keep track of the news. Come on.
Oh.
Okay, Mia, the tornado is finna come in like 5 minutes. It's literally heading down from Berry Avenue Street 123. And when it comes, I need you to be a big girl because you're safe here because the bathroom has no windows, absolutely zero, and we're going to be safe because we're surrounded by rooms. And I will comfort you, and yeah.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay.
I feel thunder.
Me too, but like it's gonna be okay because we're gonna make it to the next day because yeah. Well guys, it's the next day and we survived. So I'm finna go make breakfast for Mia and me because no more storms today and it's officially summer. Yeah.
Wait, Mama.
Oh shoot, why is my walk like this? I gotta change my walk really fast because this walk is not it.
Pretty girl, ready. Pretty.
Okay, we get it. Oh, I gotta rewalk. I had jumped. Bro. Okay. Bro! Should stand right here. Bro, it's no good place to stand in this room.
Yeah, because we can't return. You could be like behind the mother. No.
Now get up, get out of there, thing, and then walk out the room. Wait, come back and walk out the room again. Gotta go to food. What you want? You know what? You just gonna have this. Does this look good enough for you? For you? Oh God! Why does that keep happening?
What keep happening?
It keep. Not the house for sale in the back. Bro.
I see. Wait, y'all.
I'm in my mom's car. Get out the car. Like, it should not be quiet on set, Nyla. Nala.
I was finna tell you, what's in there? I was finna tell you, I should be like, I want to tornadoes, mama.
And then I'm gonna say no. Okay. Okay, 3, 2. Yeah, I'm actually gonna say that. 3. Bruh.
I swear my nose was hurting.
Same. My throat was messed up.
For real. My nose started itching.
Okay.